calling my name. Lights in the distance, pulling my way. I've been chasing echoes in the rain, but tonight I choose to gently stay. I carried stories I never told, smiles that hid the weary truth. But in the hush between each breath I hear a song I always knew. I've been searching far beyond my heart, listening to every sound of mine. Yet something waits when I slow my steps, a tender voice that feels like home. When the noise grows quiet, I can feel the gentle rhythm of what is real. In the stillness, I don't have to hide. I am enough just as I am inside. When the noise grows quiet, I can see there is a light that lives in me. No more running, no more fear to chase. I rest my heart in a kinder place. I held my worries like they kept me strong, held my sorrow so I wouldn't fall. But every night they stay too long, turning dreams into distant calls. I tried to mend what I couldn't change, tried to carry more than my share. But healing comes when I stand still and let the moment meet me there. I don't need answers written in stone or tomorrow already drawn. Just one quiet moment on this road where my soul can finally belong. When the noise grows quiet, I can feel the gentle rhythm of what is real. In the stillness, I don't have to hide. I am enough just as I am inside. When the noise grows quiet, I can see there is a light that lives in me. No more running, no more fear to chase. I rest my heart in a kinder place. Maybe peace was always near, waiting underneath my fear. Maybe love begins when I slow down and let the silence wrap around. No spotlight, no need to pretend, just this breath and where I stand. I don't need to conquer the night, I just need to feel the light. The world keeps moving, calling my name. Lights in the distance, pulling my way. I've been chasing echoes in the rain, but tonight I choose to gently stay. I carried stories I never told, smiles that hid the weary truth. But in the hush between each breath, I hear a song I always knew. I've been searching far beyond my heart, listening to every sound but mine. Yet something waits when I slow my steps, a tender voice that feels like home. When the noise grows quiet, I can feel the gentle rhythm of what is real. In the stillness,
turning dreams into distant calls. I tried to mend what I couldn't change, tried to carry more than my share, but healing comes when I stand still and let the moment meet me there. I don't need answers written in stone or tomorrow already drawn. Just one quiet moment on this road where my soul can finally belong. When the noise grows quiet, I can feel the gentle rhythm of what is real. In the stillness, I don't have to hide. I am enough just as I am inside. When the noise grows quiet, I can see there is a light that lives in me. No more running, no more fear to chase. I rest my heart in a kinder place. Maybe peace was always near, waiting underneath my fear. Maybe love begins when I slow down and let the silence wrap around. No spotlight, no need to pretend, just this breath and where I stand. I don't need to conquer the night, I just need to feel the light. When the noise grows quiet, I remember who I was before the storms. In the stillness, I surrender to the truth that keeps me warm. When the noise grows quiet, I let go of every weight I try to own. I don't escape, I stay, I breathe and find my way back home. When the noise grows quiet, peace is here.